Unveiling the Impact of AI on Art and Creative Industries. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. AI revolutionizing art, transforming creativity AIRT. 2. The future of art, AI impact on creative industries AI impact. 3. Unleashing creativity with AI in art and design ART design. Thumbnail concept. A split-screen image showing a traditional artist's hand painting next to an AI-generated digital art piece. Both hands should be highlighted, with the AI side featuring vibrant, futuristic colors. The text AI revolutionizing art should be displayed in bold letters at the bottom of the thumbnail. Hook script, first 30 seconds. Voiceover. What if I told you that artificial intelligence isn't just changing the world we live in, but is also redefining our understanding of art and creativity? Welcome to a journey into the future of art, where robots are not only our companions but also our collaborators. Let's dive deep into how AI is transforming the creative industries. Full video script. Midnight. Voiceover. Hello, art enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: the impact of artificial intelligence on art and creative industries. 1 o'clock B-roll suggestion: show clips of various AI-generated art pieces. Artificial intelligence is no longer a mysterious concept reserved for science fiction. It's here, and it's making waves in the world of art. 2 o'clock B-roll suggestion: interviews with artists who use AI in their work. Meet artists like Aida, the world's first humanoid artist using AI, or Obvious, a collective that made headlines with their AI-generated paintings sold for over $400,000. 3 o'clock B-roll suggestion: explain how AI can help artists. But it's not just about creating art. AI is also helping traditional artists by automating repetitive tasks, freeing up more time for creativity. 4 o'clock B-roll suggestion: discuss the potential downsides of AI in art. However, with every advancement comes challenges. Concerns about originality and the loss of human touch are often raised when discussing AI in art. 5 o'clock B-roll suggestion: show examples of both successful and controversial AI art. We'll explore these issues and more, showcasing examples of AI-generated art that has made headlines for both its beauty and controversy. 6:30 B-roll suggestion: discuss the future of AI in art. So, what does the future hold for AI in art? Tune in to find out. Video description. Welcome to our channel about art. Dive into our latest video on AI revolutionizing art, timestamp, and discover how artificial intelligence is impacting creative industries. Explore examples of AI-generated art, meet artists using AI, and discuss the potential implications for the future of art. Affiliate, art supplies affiliate, digital art software affiliate, online art classes. ART, artificial intelligence, creative industries, art trends, future of art, AI in art, artificial life, digital art, artist interviews, art news, artificial creations, art revolution, innovation in art. Tags. 1. AI art, artificial intelligence, creative industries, art trends, future of art, AI in art, artificial life, digital art, artist interviews, art news, artificial creation, art revolutions, innovation in art, technology and art, artistic advancements, artificial art, AI impact on art. Pinned comment. First comment to pin. What are your thoughts about AI in art? Let's start a conversation. Speech balloon: share your opinions below. End screen script. 8 to 10 o'clock. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of AI and art. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more engaging content like this. And while you're here, check out our affiliate, Art Supplies Review. 10 to 12 o'clock. Before you go, don't forget to watch our previous video on affiliate, digital art software, and learn how it can revolutionize your artistic journey. See you in the next video. 12 o'clock. End screen with subscribe button, video suggestions, and channel promotions.